If you've lost sending privileges on Binance and need to restore them, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and concisely. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Ensure you are using the correct login details to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Profile or Account section. Look for Security Settings where you can manage your account security features and privileges. Step 3. Verify your identity. To restore sending privileges, you may need to complete identity verification. Follow the prompts to submit any required identification documents or complete KYC Know Your Customer procedures as instructed. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. Review any notifications or alerts regarding your account. Sometimes, sending privileges may be restricted due to security concerns or compliance issues. Address any issues mentioned in these notifications. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to restore your sending privileges, reach out to Binance customer support. Provide them with relevant details about your account and the issue you are facing for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Binance. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.